In today's video, we're going to talk about how gold and silver can be essential tools in protecting your wealth, especially when it comes to retirement. If you're an American retiree, you might be worried about inflation, market volatility, or just how to secure your savings for the long haul. Gold and silver offer a way to help guard against these challenges, but many retirees don't know how to leverage these precious metals effectively. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to secure their wealth. Before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description for a free guide on why gold IRAs are gaining popularity among American retirees. This guide will give you everything you need to know about gold IRAs and why they're an ideal option if you have $100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even $5 in savings. Now, let's talk about gold and silver. These metals have been used as stores of value for centuries. Unlike paper currencies, gold and silver retain their value even when the market or dollar falters. In fact, during times of economic uncertainty, gold tends to rise in value, making it a strong hedge against inflation and market downturns. But it's not just about holding physical gold and silver, it's about positioning them strategically in your retirement planning. And that's where gold IRAs come into play. You might be wondering, why not just keep gold or silver in a regular investment account? Well, the problem is that these assets are not as tax efficient when they're in a traditional investment account. With a gold IRA, however, you get all the tax advantages of a regular IRA. That means your gold and silver holdings can grow tax deferred, and in some cases tax free if you use a Roth Gold IRA. But let's be real. Gold and silver are not the only options for preserving wealth in retirement. You might be considering traditional options like stocks, bonds, or even real estate. However, stocks and bonds are subject to market risks and can experience significant volatility, especially in retirement. Real estate, on the other hand, ties up a lot of liquidity and can come with maintenance costs that drain your savings over time. Gold IRAs, on the other hand, are relatively stable. As long as you work with a trusted custodian, your gold IRA is protected from the wild fluctuations of the stock market. Even more importantly, gold can act as a safeguard against the devaluation of the dollar, which we've seen time and time again. If you're not using gold as part of your retirement strategy, you could be leaving yourself vulnerable to inflation and currency devaluation. Now let's talk about the process of rolling over your IRA or 401k into a gold IRA. The process is simple, and many custodians specialize in this. You can roll over a portion of your existing retirement savings into a gold IRA without paying penalties, as long as you follow the proper procedures. The best part? You get to keep control of your retirement funds while diversifying into assets that have stood the test of time. And if you're not sure where to start, that's where the free gold IRA guide I mentioned earlier can help. It walks you through the entire process and shows you how to find the best gold IRA company for your needs. For American retirees with 100K plus in your IRA or 401K, or even more than $5 in savings, you owe it to yourself to consider how a gold IRA can be the cornerstone of your wealth protection strategy. Gold has never been more accessible, and with a trusted custodian, you can start moving your retirement savings into assets that will truly stand the test of time. If you're ready to learn more about how gold and silver can help secure your future, and you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, check out the free guide in the description. It's tailored specifically for American retirees like you. Thanks for watching, and remember, gold IRAs aren't just a way to preserve wealth. They're a way to grow it, even in uncertain times. Don't let your hard-earned retirement savings be at risk. Take action now.